starts now.
First topic that I was able to discuss is all about the SONA, or the State of the Nation address of our President Emilio Simeon Aquino III. So he stated in his SONA last July 28 that quote is, Pilipino is worth dying for, Pilipino is worth living for, and Pilipino is worth fighting for. So I may say that our president is good because based on his SONA, it stated 83 problems that he solved. One of these is the underemployment. Underemployment drops from 7.6 to 7.1 this May. So the second topic is the PDAP, or the Priority Development Assistance Fund. So this is the most recent issues that we are facing nowadays. So pork barrel, or there are, for me, pork barrel is, or giving PDAP is good because in this the money coming from PDAP is very useful to us because they give us money for like scholarships program. So we will able to pursue our studies and have a better future. And the third one is the implementing the K-12 program. So forgot something. K-12 program, way back 2 years, we didn't implemented the K-12 program, but after this last 2012, our government